Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video, we are going to learn how to create histogram in past. Let's start the video. First of all, I have to open the past application. Then I have to import my data here. For importing data, I will go to File, Open, and here you have to select your data sheet. Before selecting data sheet, you must have to save your data in CSV format. Otherwise, in other format, it will not work in past. Select the data, click on Open. In separator, you have to select here comma as CSV means comma delimited text. Now click on import. My data imported. Now I have to fix on which column I want to create histogram. For my data, I will create histogram on study hours. So select the study hours column, then go to plot and click on histogram. Already histogram created. In my histogram, you see that 4 bars appeared, but you can change the number of bars by changing the bins number. If you change the bins number, the bar number will also change here. Start means your data start with 5 and int means your data end at 16. Here you see that the y-axis name is frequency, but there is no name in x-axis. You can name the x-axis name. For that, go to graph setting in X level, create a name for x-axis. For my data, it is study hours. After typing the name, just close the window, and already name of axis is appeared in histogram. That is study hours. If you select 95% confidence, it will show the histogram with 95% confidence. And if you select fit normal, it will show the data distribution type. I think you know that there are two types of data distribution, normal distribution and skewed distribution. If the curve line matched with the histogram, that means the data distribution type is normal, and if the curve line don't match with the parts, that means data distribution type is skewed. Here you see that the curve line don't match with the bars, that means this data distribution type is skewed. Let's check a normal distribution type data. For that, select the column value, click on plot and go to histogram and click on fit normal. You see that the curve matched with the bars, that means this data distribution type is normal. I think you understand the difference between skewed data distribution and normal data distribution, which you can understand by selecting the fit normal. And if you click on kernel density estimation, it will show the data concentration. The peak is the most concentrated and the other parts of this curve is less concentrated. This is the peak and data is mostly concentrated here. And if you select the flip axis, it will just flip the axis. X-axis will be y-axis and y-axis will be x-axis, nothing more. I think you understand very well how to create histogram in past. If you face any difficulties, you can drop your question in comment box. I'll try to solve the problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel for inspiring me.